Guys, ayan, bago kami pumunta ng beach, guys, ayan, maglagay muna tayo ng lotion. One of my ginagamit na lotion, guys. Ayan po. I really love this. Ayan po. Isa to sa nagpapaputi sa akin, guys. Ayan, yung aking lotion na ginagamit. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ayan, ang smooth nito sa balat at ang bango pa. Ayan, ito yung aking, ang bango. Bango niya, guys. Ayan. Lagay pa tayo. Ayan. Para kasing ano to siya, guys. Para siyang sunblock. Ayan. Para siyang sunblock, guys. Ayan. Nag-ano din to siya, guys. Ng ano. Pag tayo ay nainitan. Ayan. Pag tayo ay nainitan, guys. Ayan. I really love this lotion, guys. Ang lakas niya makaputi. Ayan. Ang lakas niya makaganda, guys. Ayan, so this is it. Ayan, ready na ako sa aming pagbe-beach, guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng ating ano. Ang ganda nito, guys. Isa to sa aking ginagamit. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman, guys, yung aking skin. Napakaganda, di ba? Ayan po. I really love this one, guys. Ayan yung ating ano. Ayan, ready na. Wow! I want to show you my new again, the black one, guys. Another black one. Yeah.
Wow.
Guys, yung aking likuran. Wow! I really love it. Back. So siya, guys. I really love it. And my fashion siya. I really love black hole, guys. That's why yan po. Ayan. So, this is my swan set to take here. Guys, back. That's it for today.
Oh no!
I want to show you my bikinis. And guys, the color. Wow! I really love it. And guys, pag napakyan siya, guys. 3 pieces to siya, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. And next natin is color. Wow! Black siya, guys. Ayan, oh. I really love it. Pag napakyan. I love it. The black one, guys. Look. So very nice. Wow! I love it. Ayun yung ating likod. So guys, medyo na-check na yung ating likod, guys. Ayan, konting exercise na lang. Ayan po, I really love it. Ayan. Wow! Napakyan.
Oh no!
The next, guys, is color blue. Look, guys. The wow! I really love it. Yes. Guys. Ayan. Pack na pa. Guys, for only 240 pesos. Ayan. I really love it. This is my bikinis, guys. I really love it.